So for number 2, we've got Sungwon playing a game where she rolls a fair side of dice. So this dice right here has 6 sides. And then we have a spinner here, which has a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4 on it. So the way that you would read this is that if you got a 1 on this dice and a 2 on the spinner, you add those results here. So like if you got a 6 and a 4, that would be worth 10 for this dot right here. So what we wanted to find first is find the probability that Sungwon's score on her first turn is greater than 4. So we need to label each of these points here. So 5 and 4 would give me 9, 4 and 4 would give me 8, 7, 6, 5. And I'm going to keep labeling these things. This will give me 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 6 and 2 would give me 8, and then we're going to decrease by 1 each time. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then 1 and 6. So we got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So now we need to count all of the possibilities for getting greater than 4. So all of those possibilities are right here. If you count these up, we've got 18 possibilities out of 24. So 18 out of 24 can reduce to 3/4. Or if you want to give it to me as a decimal, that would work as well, 0.75. So then that was for part A. Now on part B, it wants to know what is the probability that she scores greater than 4 on both of her first turns. So we have to take that probability from A. We have to take 18 out of 24, and that event has to happen twice. So we're going to multiply. It's this and this. So we're going to multiply this by itself, or if you wanted to write it as 18 over 24 squared, you could do that as well. But you need to figure out whatever way you want to write it works for me. So we're going to say that would be 9 out of 16 when you reduce that. And then lastly, if Sungwon plays this game for 11 turns, we want to find the expected number of times the score on a turn is greater than 4. Now, there is a 75% chance that she scores 11 times, or that she scores higher than 4. So if she plays this for 11 turns, we need to figure out what 75% of 11 turns is. So the way that we're going to do that is we're going to do 3/4 or 0.75 times 11, and that's going to give us 33 over 4, which is approximately 8.25 turns, which we'll call 8 turns. So if you all have any questions on number 2, please let me know.